You want to get your 4,000 watch hours, you want to get your 1,000 subscribers. See, the fastest and quickest way to do that is to copy. Just copy. Copy you. It is working. Don't listen to big YouTubers that'll be telling you, be unique. You have to have your own this thing. Stand out. Don't copy. You have to be original version of yourself. Don't listen to them. Please. If you want to be monetized fast, and guys, before you crucify me, calm down. I know you guys are saying what she's saying. You have to be original, no? But see, if you want it to be very fast, okay, I'm going to show you what actually worked for me in particular. Because me, I like to bring what has worked for me to you guys. I don't like to bring, okay, I heard so. It's a practical example. I'm going to be showing you guys maybe here or here. I'm going to put it on the screen. I really don't know where I'm going to, maybe here or here. I'm going to put it on the screen. You guys will see from just one video the random way, or like, in fact, what a lot of people say is you can get your 4,000 watch hours by doing live stream. Like most people, including me, I've said it here because I actually got I actually got monetized using live stream though. But I now saw that I was able to get my 4,000 watch hours with just one video. One video. Not like, this is not a live stream. This is not, I don't know if you guys can see it on the screen. It is displaying. I have over 4,000 watch hours, over 4,000 watch hours with just one videos. And look at the amount of views, almost 193,000 views, if not more than. Because as at the time of recording this video, it is 192,000 plus, but maybe when I'll be editing and all, it might have increased, I don't know, but it should be around that figure because the views is actually increasing and increasing. But as I'm recording now, it is 192,000 plus, but when I'm editing, it might have gotten to 193,000. You guys are going to see it on the screen, displaying right on your screen. So you can see I was able to, and not only that, oh, look at the amount of subscribers, plus 2.3k subscribers. That's if it has not gotten up as I'm editing. But currently now, like, in fact, the fact that it has even gotten over 2k subscribers is something, and it's just one video. And that is one video. In fact, before I tell you guys more, let's see how much this one video has given me so far. And it's still generating me more. This one video has already given me $120. $120, 8 cents. You guys think saying shiri. You guys think it's child's play. This is no child's play. Don't play. Don't play, bro. Don't play. You're gonna learn. You're gonna learn the hard way. Don't mind me, guys. I'm just trying to mimic be very dark manner. I'm trying to mimic video. You guys are not going to learn the hard way. It's going to be easy for you guys. So back to what I was saying. That was just, I hope you guys had a good sense of humor. So back to what I was saying. I was just trying to say that you guys should copy that particular video. What I did in that video was I actually copied from a bigger person. And if you want to copy, don't copy from someone that is just growing like you. Copy from someone that is already a big YouTuber, like all those big YouTubers. That's why I always say, try to get a mentor in your niche. Because any niche you're doing, you're not the first person doing that niche. Either it's entertainment, food, tutorial, whatever you're doing, you are not the first person. There is someone there already, and that person is already big already. You are not. Think of the niche, think of any, then search YouTube, you'll definitely find it there. You can test it out, maybe after listening to the video, think of something. In fact, form something in your head and create it. Search for it on YouTube, you'll find it. You'll be surprised that how can this person know this my new idea? You will be so surprised. So there's somebody, so just check the person out, see how the person is getting you, see how the person did the description. You can copy everything, every single thing. You can copy, apart from the video content though, because video content is not supposed to be the same video, but it can be the same storyline. You guys can say the same thing, you understand? But the title, the description, the tags, the hashtags, just copy. As you can see, I copied from this channel over here. I don't know which of which, but I'm just going to put it down on the, I'm just going to put it on the screen. But I hope you guys can actually understand what I'm trying to say. I copied from this channel and I put my own channel too. So you get, I copied though directly. It's not like I actually put the whole idea by myself, and see how it worked out so miraculously. I was able to gain my, in fact, okay, let us look at the time frame. All this happened within 20 days. just by using one particular video within 20 days. Meanwhile, some people are actually going to be struggling for years, for months, trying to get their 4,000 watch hours. A lot of people have been trying since 3 years ago, 2 years ago. And there's something about YouTube. If you don't get your 4,000 watch hours in 365 days, it will end. Like, all the watch hours you have gotten for that year is going to be lost. YouTube is going to start from the beginning again. Like, your watch hours actually count from 1 to 365 days. After that, if you don't accumulate your 4,000 watch hours, it's wasted effort, wasted time. Time is running. Time is running. I'm not saying that you cannot have your own originality, but at least be monetized first. Once you're monetized, have your own originality. But I'm not also saying you should go out of your niche so that when you're monetized, it will not be difficult for you to come back. Still stay in your niche, but just copy their title. Those big YouTubers that you feel are doing well, just copy their title and copy their description just for YouTube. Because a lot of us are like, I find it difficult to use Restream, because I actually did a video on how we can use Restream to get your channel monetized. So people are like, I find it difficult to use Restream to do my videos. I don't know, I don't really understand the settings. So I'm like, I don't have data to waste, because that's one of the downside of using Restream. You have to burn your data. You have to have constant light, because you have to stream for hours, like 9 hours, 10 hours, 11 hours. People are like, I can't really do all of that stress. I'm trying to make money from YouTube. I don't have that much money to spend on data to do, which is fine. You just get a video, like a video from that your big YouTuber. Get a video from there. I'm not saying you should copy exactly the same video content I'm repeating, so that you not get flagged, but make your own video. It can be in the same storyline, but you can copy the same title complete. Nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. In fact, should I shock you? You can copy the same thumbnail, copy the same title, copy the same description. Nothing go share, nothing go happen. Don't mind them, all those big YouTubers, because they want to sell course. They want you to come and register as their student. They will not tell you the full details. They'll be saying, you guys should come and register for a course. You guys, I'm not saying that some of them are not legit or some of them are not genuine about teaching people, but they will not tell you the full truth. Because if they tell you the full truth, how will they make their money? If they come out and they explain and they say, okay, you guys should do this, who will come and register for their class if everybody already know the tactics? So that's one thing they will not tell you. They'll just say, register for my, and once you register for their class, that's when they will not be telling you what to do. After you have paid money to register for a class, they will not be telling you what to do. So that is, if you are here, be unique. I'm not saying you can't be unique, but be monetized first. So once your channel is already monetized, it's now left to you. You can then choose, okay, now my channel is monetized. Do I want to continue copying this particular topic or this particular person, maybe the way the person put the topic or the way the person put the description? Do I still want to continue, or do I want to be putting my own? It's now left to you. That's your, at least you already monetized first. That's like the very first thing. Be monetized first, because make hay while the sun shine. Anything can come up. At least have a monetized channel first. YouTube can wake up tomorrow morning now, and the way YouTube is updating, as you can see now, I think there's something on YouTube now whereby you can actually in your community, because I'm so sorry for taking this so long, but I just want to make a point. So YouTube is actually allowing your viewers, your audience, to be able to leave a particular post on your channel. Like, before they can actually just comment on the community tab, they cannot post. But now YouTube has evolved that they can actually post on your page, like post in the community tab on your channel. Not only to comment, they can post. So as you can see, YouTube is changing every day. So YouTube can wake up tomorrow now and say, it's not more 4,000 watch hours, so it's not more 1,000 subscribers. For you to get monetized, you need 5,000 watch hours and 2,000 subscribers. What are you going to do? You that you are still struggling with 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, how can you now get your 5,000 watch hours? Like, anything can happen. That's why you just have to make a while the sunshine. I'm sorry this video had to get to this point. Like, it is so long. I'm just trying. Let me just stop talking. Oh my God. I'm so sorry for taking your time. Please, guys, in case you just find my channel, this is Tineka. What I do right here, talk about how you guys can make money online and how you can grow your YouTube channel. So if you like what I do, you want to support me, please do well to hit on the subscribe button, click on the like button, and leave your comment what you guys think about this particular video. Today I'm not talking like a typewriter because I'm trying to be fast. Bye, guys.